Well, good morning, everybody. Yes, I am ready for today. I am ready for this steaming challenge to start and get right on back into it. I tell you, I was so excited when I met my goal, right? And so I can't wait for my hair to grow another inch and a half during this 12-week steaming challenge. Are you ready? Today we launched the steaming challenge. So meet me on all the platforms at 2 p.m. at Central Standard Time. I'm about to wash and condition this hair, and I think I'm going to sit under my steamer live with you after I measure my hair and talk to you for a minute. Then I'm going to get under my steamer. So if you have your steamer and you're ready, get started, get ready for a steaming party, right? So let's get our steamers out and let's steam our hair together at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll see you then.